Leader of the Islamic movement in Nigeria, Ibrahim El-Zakzaky, and his wife Zinat has been granted leave to seek medical attention in India. The order was given by the Kaduna State High Court following an application by counsel to the defendant, Femi Falana. El-Zakzaky and his wife are standing trial for charges relating to culpable homicide, unlawful assembly, and disruption of public peace. Fidelia Aguncha tells us more.
Amid heavy security presence, vehicular and business activities were brought to a standstill as the Federal High Court in Kaduna ruled on an application filed by Ibrahim El-Zakzaky and his wife Zinat. After careful consideration, Justice Darius Kobo approved the defendant's request to seek medical treatment abroad. Counsel to the IMN leader explains why the court took the decision despite the objection of the prosecution.
A ruling came up today, and the Honorable Court, my Lord Justice Darius, graciously agreed with Mr. Femi Falana, SN, and the various medical reports that were attached to the applications. There were 8 different medical reports that showed clearly that the applicants are in dire need of urgent medical treatment abroad.
When
the
can
court
he leave?
agreed with the applicants and granted the application as prayed. We were seeking, as submitted by Mr. Falana on the 29th of June, that the applicants required immediate, urgent interventional medical treatment abroad, specifically at the Mental Hospital, New Delhi, India. And the court agreed that the applicants Malam and his wife, should be allowed that immediate interventional medical treatments that were sought for, and that it should be immediate but with the supervision of the state.
The lawyer also clarifies that the defendants have not been granted bail as reported by most media outlets.
It's not a bail application as has been wrongly reported in some news media. It was an application to save the life of the applicants, Malam Ibrahim El-Zakzaky and his wife.
Reacting to the ruling, counsel to the Kaduna State government, Darius Bayero, explains that the prosecution would study the judgment and decide whether or not to appeal it.
The court has ruled. It has heard us. It has heard the arguments of counsel, and it has ruled. We are bound by the court ruling of this honorable court. All the parties are bound by the ruling of the court. We'll go and sit down and read the ruling and explore whether there is need for us to appeal against the ruling or not. There is a window. It's a ruling of the court. We have a month within which to go through an appeal against this ruling.
While no time frame was given as to how long El-Zakzaky and his wife will stay in India, the court, however, ordered that the defendants be accompanied by officials of the Kaduna State government. It is also yet to be ascertained if the federal government will obey this court order or ignore it like it did the previous ones. Fidelia Aguncha, TV 360, Kaduna.